Hi, this is Tim with Eduware. In this video, we're going to talk about sections, working with sections, and instructions in sections. To get started, I've made an exam and added 10 questions to the main section. This main section is the default section that you get whenever you start a new exam. Now, the first thing I'd like to do is modify this section. And then, I'd like to split my exam into two sections. The first section will be multiple choice, and the second, free response. To get started editing a section, I'm going to click on the little pencil next to the section name. Now, this is going to pop up our Create New Section window. From here, you can choose to use an existing template, or you can create a new template. Now, I actually have an existing template of multiple choice questions, and it says all of the questions in this section are multiple choice. I'm going to use that, and then click on Save. Now, this renamed my section, and then you can see over on the right that it says the section name and the instructions. This is great. My only problem is, right now I have all my multiple choice questions mixed in with my free answers. So, to fix this problem, I'm going to make a new section. I'm going to click on the Create Section button, and I'm going to use a template again and call this Free Response section. It says, in this section, all questions will be free response. Then click on Save. Now, when we go down, we can see this section. It's currently empty. So what we need to do is add all of our free response questions to this section. To do that, we're going to find them in our exam and then click and drag them. I see right now that the first one I see is number 10. I'm going to go back to the top, take this little gray box on the left of question 10, click and drag it into our free response section. I'm going to find my other free responses. I see question 2 is free response. I'm going to grab the handle, click and drag, and release. Let's find the rest. Okay, I found my next one here. Click and drag. And this is the last one here. I'm going to click and drag. Now, when we take a look at our different sections, we see that this first section is all multiple choice. And then when we get to the second section, these are all free answer. Great. So this looks great. The students will see the two different sections, and the questions will be split up, and they'll have instructions for each section. So, in review, to add sections, click on the Create Section button, and that's when you can give the instructions for the section and use templates. You can manipulate questions by taking the gray box to the left of them and clicking and drag them. You can move questions around within their section, or you can move questions from one section to the next. So, that's an overview of working with sections and section instructions.